Hey everyone, this is Mark Tenlow here with another video. I'm going to show you some interesting things in my fridge today, in my freezer, because I showed you what was in my vegan pantry the other day. You'll be very surprised what I've got here. I actually had a big purchase because I had a voucher saying that if I could spend $50 I would get $10 off. So this is what my vegan fridge looks like. Are you ready? Come this way. I have frozen fresh raspberries, ice cream, Platitude ice cream, which is fully plant-based, and more frozen fresh blackberries. More and more, here they come. That's right, folks, I've got berries galore come from my freezer. Here they are. You can check all of these out. Look at all those berries galore. And there's the inside of my fridge. Contrary to popular opinion, I actually don't have much in my fridge. I don't eat very much at home. And as you can see, my fridge is almost empty. There it is. Almost empty fridge. Pretty barren, eh? Well, there you have it. That's what my vegan fridge and freezer looks like. Have a nice day.